Okay, this question is called implement strStr. So return the index of the first occurrence of needle in high stack, or -1 if needle is not part of high stack. So in this example, the high stack is hello and the needle is ll. ll starts at index 2, so just return 2. And in this example, bba does not exist in this string, so just return -1. And if in case if the needle is 0, is empty string, just return 0. So this is the first thing we will check. So return 0. This is how we check it. Okay. And now what we will need to do, I think the approach here is just to get substrings with the same length of the needle and just compare them until we find the needle. If we don't find the needle, just return -1. So that's it. Just take substrings of the high stack that is equal to the length of the needle and just compare them. So let's start implementing this. So const len equal the needle.length and while, and I will, another variable is I, so like I will start from the index 0 and I will try to create a substrings from high stack that is equal to the length of the needle. So substring starting from I to the len plus I does not equal to the needle. So while we don't have a substring that is equal to the needle and I is less than or equal the high stack dot length. So we know we don't reach, so we know we are not reaching we don't exceeded the length of the high stack, or we don't, and we reached the end of it. And this is high stack dot substring. The I will always start as 0, and if all of this is true, so I plus plus, and if this is true, now I is 1, so I will substring from 1 to 3, since I is 2 in this example, for instance. And the second iteration, now I will become 2, and I will substring from maybe from 2 to len plus 2. No, sorry. So let's just try to recap. So if I is 0, I will substring from 0 to 2, so he. I will compare it to the needle is ll. They are not equal, and the length is I is still less than the length, so I will increase I. Now I is 1, so the substring will be from 1 to 3, so el. And we'll compare it, not equal, so I'll do the same thing. Now when I is 2 to 4 is ll, which is len plus I, so 2 to 4 is ll, and it will be equal to the needle. And in that case, at the end, I will just return I, but we need to check, maybe we compared it to the whole substrings and we didn't find any needle inside the high stack. So the check will be if I, like this, 1 second, I will just explain it. So if I is bigger than or equal to the length, which means we compared it to the if it's bigger than the length, which means we compared it to the all substrings and we didn't find anything. So if that is the case, just return -1, else return the index. Should be fine. Okay, let's try to submit it. Okay, it's not that good, but it works.